The first thing we need to do is go on Canva's website. For that, simply type Canva into your search engine or go to this URL. It's probably going to be the first link. You are now on Canva's landing page. You can sign up by using your already existing Facebook or Google account. Alternatively, you can also sign up with your email. I'm going to choose this option. Simply enter your name, your email address, and a strong password. Awesome, you've now created your own Canva account. Now they will instantly ask you what you're using their service for. It doesn't really matter what you click on here, but for this tutorial I'm just going to choose personal. Now Canva will instantly recommend you some templates to edit. Currently there is no way to get out of here, so we are forced to click on a template. Once you are in the editor, click on Home in the top left corner. In the next lecture, we are going to explore the Canva dashboard, so stay tuned for that.